Hello friends, my name is Adi. Welcome to my video tutorial on storage analytics using Excel, Power Query and pivot table. In this video, we will be creating a report that refreshes automatic when data changes. Let us get into the details. What you need for this? You need Excel 2013 or above, Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. It's a COM add-in. I will show you in the demo how to enable this. A storage location for your analytics. What you will learn. You will get data from file and folders. Use Power Query editor to select the required data. Create pivot table and summarize or group data. Create dynamic columns based on the data. Format numbers. What you will get at the end. Report that refreshes automatic with new data. Upload your report to One Drive or SharePoint. Share your impressive report with your manager and stakeholders. Hello friends, welcome to the practical demo on the storage analytics. I am using my Windows 10 PC, so I have installed Excel, Office 365. So I am going to start a blank workbook, right? So as I said, to check the add-ins, you go here, go to add-ins, COM add-ins, click OK. After a brief, you will get a pop-up now. That didn't come. Okay, add-ins, COM add-ins, go. Yes, sorry, it was taking a brief, I think. So you will select this option, particularly Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. This will add the Power Pivot and the Power Query as well to our surface. Now, regarding the storage location, I'm going to use one of my folder in my drive. So now we are ready to start with our work. So if you see on the top menu, there is a data tab. Click on that. After data tab, you click on get data. Click on the drop down. You will choose file from, then choose from folder. In my case, it was the first choice. Maybe in your case it may be different because I used it previously. So Excel, what it does is it remembers your previous actions, so it gives priority to that. So what you will do is get data from file, from folder, select on that. You may have to wait for a few seconds. So now it is asking to select a folder. So I go to the browse. As I said, my data is on D drive, so this is my folder. So I select that. Okay, D colon data has come. Now simply click OK. Now if you slide the scroll bar, we got number of columns. We don't need all of these columns. We are very specific, so we'll select the columns from this. It is showing a preview. So selecting the columns we do by clicking on the transform data. So now the window you see is called Power Query Editor, Data Power Query Editor. Okay, data is our data source. So as I said, I don't need all of these columns. So the first column I don't need, so I am removing this. I do need the second column. I am interested in keeping the extension because I am going to generate columns based on the extension, so that we get totals on extensions. And well, I could keep data access for determining deleting, suppose, or moving, archiving files which are no longer used, say over a period. So I am not interested in these two columns, so simply delete it. Now the folder path I need, the attributes, it is a table. Attributes column is a table, and each table is a record in each table. So to drill into that, actually I need some data from this. So to expand that, click on this double arrow. Now I need only one column from this, that is a size column. So let me unselect all this, then I just select the size column, and it says use original column name as prefix. So it will say, if I tick that, it will say attributes.size as my column name, but I'm not interested in having that prefix, so I'm going to get rid of that, so unselected. So when you click OK, you can see we got the columns as we needed. So we are done with our Power Query Editor. Now click on this first button, close and load. Again click on the first one. Cool, we got the data. Now there are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and this sheet 1 is empty, so I don't need it. Let me delete that. So this size column, this is our interest, this is our numeric column. I just want to format this so that we get a 1000 separator. So to do that, right click, format cells. I'm going with the number. I don't want any decimal, but I want 1000 separator. I think I forgot to select the columns as a full, so I need 0, use 1000 separator. Okay, that is better. This is to be, I prefer this is right align. Where is my, maybe I could no, this time I just wanted this column. So yeah, we have this one should do, I think. Okay, that's better. Okay, now before we go further, let me save this file. So I'm going with save as, downloads. I will look for a file. So let me do this. analytics. Give some name. Let's give it more meaningful. Storage analytics. So anyway, I will overwrite it. So we save that. We got the data ready for our work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a pivot table. For that, you go to the Insert tab, and in the very first ribbon is our pivot table. Just click on that. So it is asking to choose. I'm happy with the default. Select table range. This is our table. You can see the dotted line going, and we want to create the pivot table in a new worksheet. So just click on OK. Cool. We got the data here now. So let me rename this as report. Now all I need is to select the report columns. So the pivot table fields are here. So what I have to do is, the size column is my first candidate, that is my numeric. So this is the total size. Next I wanted to do by folder, so I put in rows column. You see now it has totaled. Each folder's total is coming. I want to refine it further by name as well. So now you see the folder total is on top, then the details, then next folder, it comes like that. And apart from that, it is just showing a single column. As I said earlier, I want my report by extension in the columns, so I drag that in the columns. Now you see how cool this report is. We got everything we need. At the end you will see our grand total as well. Subtotals are present. Now what I need is, I want to make it a little bit pretty, these numbers, displaying these numbers. Somehow I expected that the format to come from here, but it didn't turn up. So anyway, we can do that from here. Click on the sum of size drop down and value field settings. So we are not bothered about this, we are bothered about the number format. Click on that. So we choose number, and we don't want any decimal, we want 1000 separator. Okay, cool. I think we achieved our goal. This is what the report we are after. I save the report also once. This report you can upload to your One Drive, SharePoint, or any online storage. And to my knowledge, OneDrive and your SharePoint will refresh this report automatic. Whenever some files added, deleted in your storage location, that will reflect automatically. You see how cool it is. So that is what all about, and I will be doing frequently video tutorials on YouTube. So if you could subscribe to my channel, you will get instant update so that you can pick any of my useful videos. Thanks. Bye.